Hey everyone! If you're new to the nail art game and looking for some easy designs to get started with, you're in the right place. Today I've got a compilation of 10 simple nail art ideas that even beginners can nail. So grab your favorite polishes and let's dive in. First up, we've got the classic polka dots. All you need is a dotting tool or even a bobby pin. Paint your nails with a base color, then dip your tool into a contrasting polish and dot away. Easy, right? Next, let's try some stripes. You can use striping tape or just a steady hand. Paint your nails with a base color, let it dry, then add your stripes with a thin brush. It's simple, but looks so chic. Now, how about a glitter gradient? Start with a base color, then use a makeup sponge to dab on some glitter polish starting from the tips and blending down. It's a sparkly look that's sure to impress. For something a bit different, let's do a floral design. Use a dotting tool to create small flowers on your nails. Just dot 5 tiny circles around a center dot, and you've got a cute flower. Perfect for spring. If you're feeling adventurous, try an ombre effect. You'll need a makeup sponge and 2 or 3 colors. Paint the sponge with the colors and stripes, then dab it onto your nails. Blend them together for a beautiful gradient look. Now, let's go for a geometric design. Use striping tape to create shapes like triangles or squares. Paint over the tape with a contrasting color, let it dry, then peel off the tape for clean, sharp lines. Up next, we have the marble effect. Drop some polish into water, swirl it with a toothpick, and dip your nail in. It's a bit messy, but the results are stunning. For a quick and fun design, try some nail stickers or decals. Just stick them on your painted nails and seal with a top coat. It's super easy and looks professional. Another simple idea is the French manicure. Use tape or a special French tip guide to get those perfect white tips. It's a timeless look that's always in style. Finally, let's make some fruit nails. Use tiny brushes to paint little fruits like strawberries or watermelons on your nails. It's a playful design that's perfect for summer. There you have it, 10 simple nail art ideas for beginners. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art inspiration. See you next time.